Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I got a new fanny pack or waist pack, whatever you want to call them. Back in the day, they called them fanny packs, and only old men wore them. Well, now they're making them kind of cool looking, tactical looking. You can get this one in particular in multiple colors. Olive drab, black, maybe a camo. I think it comes in a camo and and this is like a tan or a coyote, they call it. Um, Basically, what we have here is just a really nice waist pack. I hate calling it fanny packs. And this one, it's got pockets on the sides here, pockets both sides. It's got these really nice zipper pulls that have like, it looks like a shrink wrap you put on wires, but that's a really good idea to use on paracord. And has several pockets here. This is the deep pocket, waterproof. Seems to be. I mean, I wouldn't submerge it, but I'd say water resistant. Um, but check this out. So if I had this on, folded down, look at that. You can adjust it so it makes like a shelf. Now, I wouldn't put a bunch of weight on this, but and it's got a little pocket thing here. But this is so it doesn't, flap down too far, especially if you have stuff in it that could spill out like your ID or your concealed carry license or something like that. But that's what these are used for these days. A lot of people use these to conceal carry their weapons when they're walking around, hiking, whatever, or cell phones, checkbook, passport, your wallet. This has a lot of storage. This is great. I'm gonna wear this when I go hiking, and I don't want anyone calling it a fanny pack because it's not. It's a waist pack. So, so check this out. So let's go ahead and let's look at the features and see what'll fit in this. Let's check this out. Okay, so under here, it has some elastic to hold your magazines. You just do that. These are little small magazines out of a little pocket gun, but if you had a 9mm or something like that, they'd fit really snug and very tight in there. These still fit snug; they're not going anywhere. And you can put your ID in here, maybe your concealed carry, your wallet, your phone, whatever you need. Um, and then this this is fully adjustable right here, so you can pull this off and you can angle it, do it, more one way than the other, whatever you need to do. I'm just going to place it down here where it was. You've got this piece of Velcro on top, which holds whatever you're going to put in there. Let's just say it's this LCR, and you put that in there. Let's tighten it down. Then it has this other piece, which works better on weapons like this. But here you can go like that, put that down, and and it works pretty good too. You could it'll hold it in there snug. You're not going to have to worry about it really moving around anyways, but this will hold it in place, and you're good to go. So let me just show you here. Let's just say I've got this on. Here, let's just say I've got this on. I'm gonna pull it around like this. Okay, so we have it on. Let's just do this. We can go like this. The shelf folds down. There we go. Boom. Pow, pow, pow. So, anyway, so there you go. That's all you got to do. And, that's it. Pretty easy. It'll hold everything. It's got these side pockets, which are great, especially if this is like a revolver. You could have those little speed loaders tucked in these pockets. It's really nice. It's well made. Everything's double stitched and really nice. And these are, they come in all different variations and price points, but this is pretty neat. It's also good for fishing. You could just stuff this thing full of tackle, have your ultralight, and just go in the backcountry and do some trout fishing. Be awesome for that. But let's try this bigger weapon here and see how it fits. And just for the YouTube bosses out there, this is just an airsoft gun, so don't get all crazy on me. Okay, so we're going to do this. I'm going to take this one out. Here we go. Let's see this airsoft gun. Okay, it's very roomy in here. So you can do this. And then this piece, if you can see that, this piece here is the extra one. It's made more for a weapon like this. It goes across like that. See that? And of course, like I said, you can configure this since it's Velcro, any way you want to fit this sort of, what works for you. So let's put this back on. Okay, so here we go. Got this. Got it all. Let's get it all situated here. Just like I'd be hiking around in the woods. Here you go. We're walking up. I can open this. I can go, oh, look, I can get my little granola bar. And then right here, you just fold it. I have this shelf adjusted. It's just paracord with one of those little pull things. And there you go. Everything's right here. So, this is a fairly large, old style weapon here. And, it's those Glocks now are all different sizes. But you'll have the perfect whatever weapon or whatever for you, just like owning a cell phone. You'll have the cell phone that works good for you. But I wanted to show you this. These are really great. You can't you can't go through life without ever owning a fanny pack. It's just one of those things you get when you get older, to carry your keys and your phone. And everybody in your family will laugh at you, but it's a waist pack. It's not a fanny pack. And, you can carry this. You can also use this as a sling. The strap is long enough to do that. Let's just see. Let's just see if it'll do that. So I'm going to spread this out. And let's see. So let's see. Woo. Let's see. That should be somewhat big enough. I mean, you just put it over my head. Look at that. I could just carry it like this. So that works. Look at that. That works. It's not an actual sling pack, but you can wear it that way. So it's up high if you need to get to it, And there you go. So have it there. So there you go. It works. Hopefully, this is an okay video to make. No real firearms were used in this video. So, But like I said, this is just something, like, I will use this more for fishing, and keeping all my stuff, whatever stuff that might be. Like I said, passports, phone, driver's license, wallet, big stack of cash, your gold doubloons. I don't know, whatever you want to carry in this, it'll work great. So, and like I said, it's very well made. I mean, you can see the extra stitching they put on that, and I just want to show you. It's really nice. I mean, they did a good job. Got some Velcro here. Now, what could that be for? Well, this company is nice enough to send a patch. So, you can put that on there. You can put whatever other patches you got. Maybe you have some other patches. Let's see. Look at that. Boom. Now you got your patch. So, if you're looking for a gift to give somebody, this is nice. It's inexpensive, and it's got a million different uses. Oh, check it out. I found another pocket. Boom, on the back. It's huge. You can put your phone back there or whatever. Check that out. Another pocket. So, that's where you could have your cash hidden. But, this thing it's nice, big pockets, and, it's just handy. You go in the grocery store, you could have all your your coupons in here, and then it just folds out, and you can go through your coupons. You know, that's what these are really for. This is a coupon holder for the going grocery shopping. Anyways, this is it's pretty cool, and I like these, and they're called waist packs, not fanny packs. You got to get away from that term. It's horrible, you know. Boomers wear fanny packs. Gen X wears waist packs. I don't know about the other guys. You know, let me know in the comments below if you have any idea what the younger guys wear, if they even wear these. Maybe they're using sling packs or, you know, whatever they want to do. But anyhow, fellas, people. So anyhow, I hope you like this video. I'll be putting links, as usual, just so you can check it out and do your research under the video in the description. You know, see what you think about this. It's just really handy. I mean, I can't wait to use it. I mean, it's like it really expands out too. So you know, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment, tell me what you guys use for carrying your coupons around, and I've got more videos coming. I got a whole bunch of stuff piling up, weather permitting. I'll get some videos on those. So I will see you next time. See ya.